Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart on this final trading session of the week. The S&P 500 is currently trading at 4,139 and we have traded higher in the past couple of trading sessions, and this is thanks to some of the inflation readings that we got. We had the CPI on Wednesday followed by the PPI yesterday, and both reports come in significantly lower than estimates. So this is very encouraging for the markets, and hence why we have seen a continuation of its momentum towards the upside. Today, however, is very important as well because any minute now we're about to hear from the banking stocks. So we hear from the likes of JP Morgan today, Wells Fargo, and these stocks earnings are going to be very interesting because they'll give us a very good idea as to what the consumer is doing and what the consumer's forecast is. And then followed by that, about roughly an hour before the markets open, we have the retail sales figure. And that's going to be very interesting as well because yet again, that gives us another indication as to what the consumer is like. Are we starting to see a rollover from the consumer? So this data is going to be incredibly interesting to get an hour before the market opens. I think what's going to be really interesting is to see how the market takes the news. Are we still trading in a market environment where bad news is good news and good news is bad news? So if we do get a softer than expected retail sales number, does that mean that it's actually good news for the market, because that then means that the Fed has to stop hiking interest rates and may potentially even have to cut before the end of the year? So it'll be very interesting to see how the market reacts. But in terms of the technical chart, we are clearly breaking out of this triangle wedged pattern that we've been forming since those August swing highs. And I think that the next target will be 4,200. The big question is whether we can break above 4,200. A break above there could be quite risky to buy into that breakout, because the risk management, the risk reward ratio at those current levels is just not very attractive, because there's many people saying that we could still potentially go all the way back down to retest 3,600, etc. So I don't really hear too many people on Main Street, Wall Street, giving a target above 4,300. That's the end of the year target. So you kind of weigh things up and you think, okay, well, we could potentially have a further 100 points to go and test the August swing highs. But apart from that, there's definitely more risk towards the downside. So I would definitely be cautiously optimistic here for the S&P 500. But again, it's going to be very interesting to see this data that is due out in the next couple of hours. Guys, if you would like to join my Signal team and follow my every step that I take in the market, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up to my Signal service for a very small fee of $29.